Hello everyone! Thank you for watching It's All About Chokay in Turkey. And for today's video guys, andito nga sa aking tabi si Ada dahil nga po sa 1-week break ng kanilang school dahil sa autumn. So meron po silang autumn break dito. So wala nga po kami ginagawa kaya naman napagdiskitahan namin ang aming mga buhok. Tignan nyo naman ang aming buhok. Oh, ayan. Ang so cute. And for today's video guys, dahil nga wala kaming magawa ni Ada, dalawa lang po kami dito sa bahay. Meron lang po kami kasama na cleaner. So, medyo relax kami for today. Kaya naman guys, naisipan ko na dalhin siya sa bagong bukas na restaurant dito lang sa aming neighborhood. And that was my promise to her din kasi na once na nag-open yon, dadalhin ko siya doon sa restaurant na yon para kumain. And yung restaurant kasi na yun guys is everyday naming nadadaanan dahil nga very close sa kanilang school. Kaya naman guys, samahan nyo kami ni Ada na magkaroon kami ng quality time for today. So see you there guys! So ito na nga guys, paalis na kami ni Ada, naglalakad na kami. At tignan nyo naman guys, ang mga dahon. Ayan, naglalaglagan na. Dahil nga autumn na po ngayon, kaya naman nalalanta na yung mga dahon. At napakaganda ng autumn kasi iba-ibang kulay ng dahon ang makikita. At soon, yung mga puno na yan is talagang mawawala na sila ng dahon totally. So, ito nga yung place na kung saan tabi-tabi yung mga restaurants. So, may Pizza Hut. Kumain na rin kami ni Ada dito sa Pizza Hut. Pero ngayon, sarado na. So, meron din siyang mga sweet restaurants na ito. Jardin and Eve. Na ibig sabihin is Witch House. At ito nga yung bagong coffee shop din. Na sabi nga ni Ada, after namin mag-grill, dito naman daw kami para mag-drinks. Oh, they have a lot of drinks too. Look, do you want that? Yeah, later. We'll go to grill first before going to that coffee shop. And malapit na nga kami sa grill, guys. At from here, nakikita na namin yung kanilang school. Thank you. Adalik. So, andito na nga kami guys sa loob ng Grill Burger Restaurant. And nakapag-order na rin kami ng aming kakainan via dito sa QR code. So, ayan lang. I-scan ang kanilang QR code para magkaroon ka or para makita mo yung mga pagkain na siniserve nila dito sa restaurant na to. At ayun na nga, nakakuha na kami ng aming kakainin. Nakapag-order na kami. And we're just waiting for the burger that we ordered. So, ito. And you know what guys, si Ada, we just ordered water. Kasi she has a plan na after here, saan tayo pupunta? We're going to... So, yun. After here, guys, we're going to coffee shop for... What do you wanna drink there? There's a lot of variety of drinks. So, she don't know yet. But, when we get there, that's the time she will choose whatever drink she wants to drink. Yes, Ada? No. This is Ada's burger. This is cheeseburger and mine is mozzarella cheeseburger. So, ayan po yung in-order namin. At napakadali lang din i-serve yung food na in-order namin. Kasi guys, wala pa namang masyadong customer, kaya siguro mabilis na na-serve sa amin yung aming in-order. So, let's eat guys! Grabe guys! Grabe guys! First time ko yatang nakita na naubos ni Ada ang kanyang burger. First time? No. For me, I just saw you first time. You finish your burger because the rest of the times you didn't even like eat half of your burger. But now look at your burger. You finish all of that. Yeah? And that's too big. That's too big and you still managed to finish it. Yes guys, sobrang sarap kasi dito guys sa Goril Burger. And since bago lang to, naka-4 na beses na siyang nakapunta dito sa Goril Burger na to.
It's so nice.
It's so nice daw. Favorite talaga nila tong puntahan. And actually guys, meron branch na nasa city center. At katulad nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, ito yung bagong branch nila dito sa aming neighborhood na kung saan kabubukas lang po talaga. Wala pa yatang 1 month. So nakatatlong beses na silang nakapunta dito. Ito nga is yung pang-4 na beses na pagpunta ni Ada. And still, na-finish na pa rin or naubos niya pa rin yung kanyang burger. And now, she still continue eating her french fries, but yung kanyang salad, kinain ko po dahil ayaw niya ng vegetable salad.
Because I don't want to
Holiday.
Holiday. That's why I don't want to eat vegetables.
Why? Why? Is there any specific days when you will eat vegetable?
What I don't like. We are going to.
Even the french fries guys, sobrang sarap din.
Good.
Na?
Everything is sarap.
Everything is sarap, sabi niya. Everything is sarap, sabi ni Ada.
Mongolian.
Uy, why are you drinking like water like this?
Oh, let's go.
And to show you guys our plates. Ayan na nga, parang binagyo lang. Pero yung kay Adang french fries, hindi talaga sila guys mahilig sa french fries. Ayan, and dinidiscourage talaga sila ng parents nila na kumain ng husto ng french fries or kumain ng madami ng french fries kasi nga hindi naman talaga siya healthy. Kaya most of the time, natitira talaga yung mga french fries sa mga plato nila. Overall, ang sarap-sarap. So what can you say, Ada? Sarap. Sarap-sarap. What can you say about your burger?
It's so nice.
It's so sarap.
It's so sarap.
And now we're heading to the next destination of Ada, which is the new opened coffee shop also. Ayan, actually guys, hindi lang coffee ang meron sila dito. Meron din naman silang mga bubble tea. Ayan. Ayan, oh. Ada. Which one you like? You choose from here. Which one you like? There is, Woody?
I know this is
White Angel.
yes, White Angel.
White Angel. Okay, let's go in. Let's go in. So nice sauce.
Tamam. İstediğin ver, istediğin. Tamam oldu. Hadi görüşürüz.
Where do you want to sit? Ah, here. It's nice here. Do you want dessert also? No. Okay. You just sit down and then I will White Angel. Next. Come on, Ada, babe. Ada, I miss. Sino nga bang mag-aakala guys na napakabilis nga talaga ng panahon? Nung una ko siyang makita at mahawakan, 2 months old pa lang siya. Pero ngayon, tignan nyo naman guys, kadate ko na siya at kasama ko kahit saan ako magpunta. And our relationship is not just nanny and alaga relationship, kundi more than that. We're best of friend, ika nga. And that's all for today's video guys. Thank you for watching. It's all about Chokay in Turkey. See you on my next vlog.